Is Manta network going to crash? Mana price drops 5% as new cloud mining project lures global investors. Simon Chandler last updated, January 31, 2024 7:12 EST 3 min read. Source, Dall E3. The Mana price has dived by 10% in the past 24 hours, falling to $3.17 as the wider crypto market endures a 2.5% loss today. Despite this fall, Mana remains up by 13% in the past week, as well as 57% up since the Layer 2 coin listed earlier in the month. Yet it has lost 17% since it reached a record high 3 days ago, with the possibility remaining of further pain to come in the shorter term. It isn't the only high-potential new token in the market, however, with Bitcoin Minetrix BTCMTX raising over $10 million as it gears up for what could be a big launch. Is Manta network going to crash? Mana price drops 5% as new cloud mining project lures global investors. Based on Manta chart, it looks like the new altcoin is in the middle of a correction, with its indicators all crashing. Its RSI purple, for example, dropped below 30 earlier this morning, a sign of very strong selling pressure. Similarly, its short-term moving average yellow has begun dropping steeply towards its long-term average blue, again providing a clear sign of a correcting price. What's interesting though is that its support level green has just resisted a fall below $3.15, suggesting that the coin may not fall much further. And what's particularly encouraging for such a new token is that its trading volume is relatively high at $320 million. It was even higher at various points earlier in the month, reaching $600 million and even $800 million after listing, volumes which exceeded those for numerous more established tokens. One of the reasons why interest in Manta was so high is that the Manta network has quickly become one of the biggest Ethereum-based Layer 2 networks in crypto. It currently accounts for $466 million in total value locked in, more than TVLs for Cardano and Bitcoin, for example. Its TVL has grown by nearly 2,500% since the middle of December, a strong sign of network adoption. And this is likely to continue, with the Manta network providing a more simplified platform for deploying applications that use zero-knowledge proofs. As such, the Manta price could reach $4 in the next few weeks before hitting $6 by the summer. New cloud mining project lures global investors. As bright as Manta's future seems, it isn't the only new altcoin that's showing plenty of promise right now. In fact, there's a very wide variety of new tokens that are gaining momentum, with several for-sale coins looking as though they're on course for very big listings in the coming weeks. Probably the likeliest candidate amongst the current crop to do well is Bitcoin Minetrix BTCMTX, an Ethereum-based stake-to-mine platform that has raised $10 million in its ongoing for-sale. Bitcoin Minetrix's for-sale has been a success because its platform offers something fairly unique, which is the ability to mine Bitcoin BTC by staking its native token, BTCMTX. Doing this earns users tokenized mining credits, which they can then use to claim Bitcoin hashing power. In turn, users will receive a share in mined BTC, which could be about to rise strongly in price, given that the next Bitcoin halving is coming in April. On top of this, stakers will receive a steady income in the form of BTCMTX. Combined with its user-friendly interface, the profitability of Bitcoin Minetrix could make it a very big hit. Investors can still join its pre-sale at the official Bitcoin Minetrix website, with BTCMTX selling at 132 cents per token. Of course, such a price could end up seeming very cheap once the token lists on exchanges. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.